Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is part 2, lesson 27 of the starred problems. We did all of these and we stopped before 26, so I need a little bit of room. All of these are in the part 1 video. Alright, let me grab a color and let's do 26. Oh, 26 isn't stored. I don't need to do 26. Okay, y'all got this. Do this first, then do that. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. 28. Divide 12 by 16 or find the quotient of an equivalent division problem. So $12 by 16. If I double it, that's 24 over 32. If I cut it in half, it's 6 over 8. This is not, why don't I just do this problem right here? So 16 into 12. I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. And I get 75 cents. Not sure exactly what they want us to come up with there. I'm just going to divide it. It's easier. And the last starred problem on lesson 27 talks about this circle. So let me go ahead and grab a color. So this says, what chord is a diameter? A chord starts and stops on the circle. Okay, so AB is a chord, and CB is a chord. So the diameter is the longest chord because it starts and stops on the circle. So this is CB, and it is a segment, so it looks like that. You could also say BC. Same diff. Okay? Let's do a different color. A chord, again, starts and stops on the circle. That is not a diameter. So the only other chord on this is AB. Here to here. So you could say AB and it's a segment, or you can say BA. Either one of those works. I'm going to try a different color. What angle is an acute central angle? So if it's a central angle, that means the center has to be the vertex or the corner. So we have this angle here, and then we have this angle here, and then we have this angle down here. So the only one that is acute is this one. So I have CMA, angle CMA. M has to be in the middle because that's the point of the whole thing here. This guy. Or you could say angle, you could start at A, MC, as long as M is in the center. Alright, let's pick a different color. Let's see, what haven't we used? Let's use this blue. What angles are inscribed angles? Inscribed angles have their vertex, which is fancy word for corner, on the circle. So like this one, this one here, this one here, that's the end of the story. So let me erase that. And it says, which angles are inscribed? You could just call this angle B and angle A if you want to. That's perfectly fine because there's not another way to do that. And then lastly, I wonder if I have orange. Yeah. What two sides of triangle A and B, let me erase this and then I'll, triangle A, M, B, there's triangle A and B, are equal in length. Well, how would we know that? So I know that the measurement from the center to the circle is the radius. And I know from the center to the circle is the radius. So I know that these two sides are the same. This is a chord. I don't know what the length of that is. So I know that AM or MA is equal to MB or BM, whichever way you want to do it. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.